high would I climb mountains if the mountains were where you hide? Oh, how far I'd scale the valleys if you graced the other side. And oh, how long have I chased rivers from lowly seas to where they rise against the rush of grace descending from the source of its supply. 'Cause in the highlands and
Guitar Lake is not far off. Just have to go around this hill a bit and then drop down into it and then up again for the tarn. Morning.
Hey,
Thank you.
how you doing?
Doing all right. How about you?
Good.
Good.
Did you have a good night? I think we saw you as you were going into right down here. Yeah, Crabtree yesterday.
Oh yeah,
Did you find the ranger and stuff?
I did. Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay. Was
Yeah.
it a nice place to stay?
Yeah. I mean, there's a ton of people there.
Yeah.
But I already knew that.
Yeah.
But it was actually surprisingly quieter than I thought it would be.
Oh,
Other than the jets going overhead at like 10 o'clock at night, I was like, what is going on with this?
so loud. They're
Yeah.
pretty amazing.
Yeah.
A lot of them.
I was like, I love jets, but not at 10 o'clock at night when I'm trying to sleep.
Yeah. That's right. Well,
See you later.
All right, happy trails, guys. I don't know if someone just brought one of these along. This is like the second one, maybe third I've seen. Somebody just brought that along, or if it's out here for people to use, or what's going on. But that's definitely a luxury item to bring out, for sure, for showers or using the bathroom. I should just be coming into view of Guitar Lake, I think. Hopefully. Please. Crap. Nope. Wait. Yep. It's Guitar Lake. But we have more uphill because we have to get up there. Or is it up there? No, I think it's up there. I don't know. We'll find out. Up to the tarn. Now I find the campsite. Hey guys, so we arrived at our campsite at, I don't know, 12, 1, I'm not sure. We're both very tired. We set up camp and then it rained and hailed. Oh gosh. But we're ready to get out. But we still got one more night after tonight. And so we'll be getting up at 1 o'clock to try and get to Trail Crest. We'll then assess Beth and see how she's doing. If she's doing okay, we may try and summit. If now we'll just go down. Hopefully, outpost camp. That's a big fly in my tent. Get out! Get out! And getting back to what I was saying, also my calf muscles that have been really tight is like gone all the way up to basically the base of the knee, so I'm not sure what's going on with that, but they're probably just stressed and needing a rest, which unfortunately I can't give it right now. But I think that's about it. It's all sunny and bright now, clouds are breaking up.